Hey. All right. Hi, evening, everyone. Welcome to Friday evening, 9:30 p.m. and markets are open right now. Okay, I hope you can hear me well and fine. And let's get today's portfolio building with Terence live session started. Okay, hi, Uncle Fu. So for the rest of you who are slowly streaming in, can you just drop a comment, say hi, so I know who's joining us for the session tonight? Oh no, Facebook user. Okay, we have the Facebook user strikes again. Now, if you are joining us for the first time via our Facebook group, Stock Options Cash Flow with Terence, okay, Options Cash Flow with Terence, can you click on the streamyard.com/Facebook link, okay, and then approve Facebook for StreamYard, and we'll be able to see your comments right after that. Okay, I believe it's either, let me have a look. Mr. Facebook user should be Benjamin. All right, Benjamin, could you do that for me, please? All right, hello, Joshua. Hello, Anu. Oh no, we have another Facebook user. Okay. Now this one, I have no idea who it is. Okay, all right, now, so just one last shout out again. If you're joining us for the first time via our Facebook group for this live session, which is done every Friday, could you just click on the streamyard.com/Facebook link? They will bring you to another page, and you just need to click on the blue color button to approve Facebook for StreamYard. And that will ensure that when you leave comments on our back end over here, we would be able to see you as your profile. Okay, and I'll be able to address you as your profile. Okay, now, so thank you very much for joining me yet again for another session. All right, and let's get our live session going. All right, today it's session number 13, and I will be doing some portfolio management actions together with adding new positions into the portfolio. Okay, now, so if you're joining us over on Facebook, or even on YouTube as well, all right, could you just click on the share button, all right, and help me share out this video so we can reach out to more people and let them know that a simple stock options portfolio can be built just with a new position every week. And our aim and our goal is to try to get as close as possible to 20% returns per annum, all right, as we build this portfolio. Okay, now we have started this portfolio from scratch in our first session on 7th of July. Okay, and until today, we are about almost close to 3 months, right? July, August, September, all right? So we are heading into our 4th month actually, all right? And we are right now hitting at over 4%, all right, from a portfolio that was essentially zero, okay? And we were only adding one position at a time each week. So I think we're doing pretty well so far. Okay, now, so without further ado, let's get our session going. The first portfolio action and management I'll be doing today is actually going to be AT&T. All right, now why AT&T? Because we are close to expiry. We have sold the put option for AT&T in week number 3. All right, in week number 3, session number 3 on 21st of July. All right, we sold the 16th of October $29 put option. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to get this position closed for profit, okay, because right now the stock is still under our strike price. So instead of actually leaving it to expiry, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close out this trade over here for a profit right now. So we sold this put option back in 21st of July for $1.21. Okay, $1.21. So let's quickly jump over to our trading platform right now, and let's check out what's the premium that we have. Okay, first let me gather up the font size so it'll be something large enough that all of you can see. All right, okay, good. Now, so let me quickly change it to the trading platform. Okay, great. Now, so I am on my trading platform right now, and all of you are seeing it too. So we are going to 16th of October expiry. Okay, and we have sold the $29 put option. Okay, so for the $29 put option, we can close it today for about 54 or 55 cents. Okay, 54 or 55 cents. Okay, now since the last done is 55 cents, I'm just gonna close it out. Okay, if you have followed this position, place an order to close it out today for 55 cents. That should get you filled up over here. All right, and we will officially close this trade today at 55 cents credit. And we are looking at the 9th of October, right? 9th of October. So we have closed out this trade over here. So we no longer need to put up the investments. Okay, so our profits, our official profit on the trade is $198. Okay. And we've closed out another profitable trade, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now, in 13 episodes together with all of you live, all right, and some of you have been following me since our very first episode, week after week until right now. So you can verify that all these trades were done and filled. Okay, we have closed out 7 of these trades for profits so far. All right, so we're doing pretty well. Now, quickly over here, the next position that I want to close out is actually just the trade that we took out last week on EXC. Right, we got a good trade on EXC last week where we sold the portfolio put option for 20th of November. We sold the $33 put option for 85 cents credit. Okay, 85 cents credit. Now, the stock has since bolted upwards. Okay, so today I'm going to close out the position. And it's only a week old. That's the best part. It's only 1 week old. And here's, look at it, everyone. We can immediately close it out for 20 cents premiums today. All right, we sold the $33 put option for 20th of November. All right, in just 1 week. All right, we can now close it by just paying 20 cents right now. Okay, 20 cents right now, and it's closed. Okay, now, so let me show you. All right, how does this trade work out? So if all of you have done this trade together with me last week, all right, you can go ahead and close out this position. Yeah, okay, now, so as you can see, I've already typed out the AT&T trade. Okay, so that's highlighted over here. All right, we closed it out for 55 cents today. All right, and now I'm going to close out our last trade, which was done only on 2nd of October session last Friday. All right, we sold it for 85 cents. It was filled. All right, all of you who were there, all right, will be able to verify this. Right now, could any one of you who was actually at the live session last weekend, all right, could you just type a verification for me, all right, for some of those who have joined us for the first time in this session today, right, that EXC was actually officially filled at 85 cents credit last week, right, live during the session. Okay, all right, if you can help me do that, that would be awesome. Yeah, okay, now, so today we're going to close it out by paying 20 cents premiums. Okay, 0.2, 20 cents premium. So I closed it out today on the 9th of October. Right, so I no longer need this capital as well. And I made $195. All right, awesome. Now, so please understand again, if you are joining us on this free session over on our Facebook group over here, right, what we do right now with all of you, okay, it's basically assuming that all of you are new to options as well as option selling. All right, this is a sample portfolio that we'll be building. All right, of course, with live capital in the process of doing so on my end. Okay, to actually show you that you could sell portfolio options. Okay, and more so portfolio put options that we're doing. So in this particular portfolio, okay, how we're selling is on this basis. Every trade that I take, all right, I'm fully prepared to own the stocks. That means if anything should happen, I will be a willing owner and I will buy the stock and continue to sell options after that. Okay, so this is basically a sample portfolio that we will build. Okay, we'll show you that it's still possible to generate 20% returns per annum, right, in a consistent basis. Yeah, okay, now, so we have closed out yet another profitable trade, and this is number 8. Number 8. Okay, I think we're doing pretty well so far. All right, going into a very tough market since we started in July. Yeah, okay, a market that has already ran very much higher, right? We still eke out, great trades over here on great stocks, okay, and we are simply chewing on them each time as we go. Yeah, another profitable trade over here, and then let's go. Okay, now, so I've closed out 2 trades, and now our portfolio total capital exposure has dropped to just $34,800. Okay, $34,800. Now, let's just take a sample portfolio of 100,000. Okay, as we build this. Okay, as we build this. So my portfolio is right now exposed at a rate of about 35%. Yeah, all right, about 35% exposed in the market. All right, now, so I've closed out some trades over here, and of course, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add on new trades. Okay, now, so the new trade that I'm going to add on tonight. Okay, ready, everyone? Let's go and analyze the new trade that I'll be taking. Ding, 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 ding. All right, now, we closed out AT&T. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back. All right, okay, I'm going to put it back. Now, so what's going to happen over here is I just closed out our AT&T trade by paying the 55 cents premium. That is the market premium right now for the $29 put strike. Okay, so we closed it out for a profit. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn around. Okay, I'm going to sell the $28 put option tonight. Okay, so I'm going to go to the November over here. Okay, pardon me for a while because I've not logged into my trading platform where the sample portfolio is actually being held. All right, so as I do that, I'll be discussing what we will be trading over here. I will be looking at the $28 put option for 20th of November expiry. Okay, and I'll be looking to sell it at a premium of about 73 cents tonight. Okay, 73 cents tonight. Okay, so that will be the first trade that we'll be looking at. So I took one off and then I added one back. So this, this is where we can actually keep things really, really simple. Yeah, okay, all I did over here was I sold an option, the trade expired, I'm putting it back right now. Yeah, okay. So, a lot of times we can actually end up selling options without actually being an owner of the stock. Yeah, okay, and if you actually pick out the right stocks to do so, okay, you can actually end up building a portfolio that is built for cash flow rather than ownership of stocks. Yeah, rather than ownership of stocks over here. Yeah, all right. Now, so I'm just waiting for the account to get launched up over here, all right, and then we'll get things going. All right. Now, let me also quickly go ahead and take a look at if I can, while waiting for the platform, let's see if I can close out some other trades for some management actions. No, not yet. Not yet. Ah, yes, I could do this. Let me have a look. 39. It's ran up. 15th of January. $35. October, November, December, January. 3. I'm going to keep this. Okay, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to keep it over here. All right, so give me a minute as we set things up. It's very messy on the end. All right, give me a minute. I'm just trying to get the orders done out over here. Okay, so I will be selling today the AT&T 20th of November. Okay, $28 portfolio puts. Okay, now please understand that I am actually running this session as a form of learning, all right, which means whatever I'm doing over here, please understand that, you know, any form of trading and investing has its own risk. So do your own risk management and judgment before going ahead and placing any of the trades over here. Yeah, all right. Okay, now let me just check back on the premiums again. Right, AT&T, 20th of November, $28 put option. I could try it. Aha, someone jumped my gun again. I said 73, and some of you went ahead and get it filled at 73. Okay, now, so 73 cents over here. I'm going with the same standard 3 contracts for this portfolio. All right, it's done. Okay, I'm all done over here now. So let me just show it to all of you so you can verify this. Okay, give me a minute. It's all over the place. It's so messy. Oh my goodness. Okay, all right now. So I'm just going to switch out the screen so all of you can verify that the trade is officially filled and done. Right now, so I have sold the AT&T November 20th, $28 put option. All right, sold. Okay, so this is an official trade. So I sold 3 over here at 73 cents. All right, so it's officially done. So I'm gonna be adding it right into my portfolio right now. Okay, so let's do the data entry together as we build this portfolio week after week. Okay, now, so I'm just going to copy and paste this because it's the same trade after all. Okay, take away the fills. Okay, this is done on trade number 14. Okay, so 20th of November, $28 put option. It's done at 9th of October, and I sold this for 73 cents. Okay, this is not closed. Okay, so that would bring me a cash flow. I've added a cash flow amount today of 73 cents. Okay, today's cash flow is 219 US dollars. Okay, today I've added 219 US dollars into my pot of cash flow over here. So what's the ROI on this trade? Now the ROI on this trade is going to be 73 cents divided by the full cash amount. If I'm going to buy the share, that's $28 over here. Now, this is going to be a 2.61% return, all right, in about 6 weeks, all right, 2.61% return in about 6 weeks. Now, so that would mean if I were to analyze the rate, I just need to divide it by 6 weeks, all right, wait, 7 times 7 is 49, yep, 6 weeks, all right. Now, so I divide it out by 6 weeks and I multiply it out by 52, all right, that's going to be 22%. All right, 22% return on this AT&T trade. So we're still on course, right, on taking out every option that we sell at an annualized rate of 22%. I just closed it 1 week before it expired, and I've reestablished it, yeah, okay, back into the portfolio. So our total cash flows that we have generated so far, based on the closed positions, okay, based on our closed positions as well as the all the positions that are still open right now is 4,634. Right, we generated $4,634 on this portfolio. Okay, in terms of cash flow so far. Okay, and that would actually bring us to about 4.63% return. Right, since we have started. Yeah. Okay, considering that we are only doing 1 trade on 1 stock each week. Right, I think that's a pretty good start. Right, can you imagine if we start running a portfolio that's fully utilized, all right, fully utilized, right, we're going to have a very, very nice looking portfolio over here. Now, As well, since the market had a good run, okay, since the market had a good run in the last 1 week, all right, of course, this week, after Mr. Trump has got out of hospital, okay, the market has ran off together with him. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put back on, okay, I'm going to put back on the portfolio hedge. Okay, just in case the market sells off, I want a position that would actually generate some cash flows and profits for me. Okay, now, so what am I going to do? All right, all of you have seen me do this twice already. Okay, I'm going to do it once more, once again. Okay, I'm going to do exactly the same thing, nothing special. All right, because this portfolio is meant to be repetitive, it's meant to be easy. All right, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to reestablish the VIX, all right, the VIX portfolio puts. Okay, the VIX portfolio puts. Now, and I'm going with the 18th of November expiry again. Okay, so I'm going to sell the same strike, which is the 23 strike over here, and I think we can go for 95 cents right now. Okay, we can go for 95 cents right now. So I'm going to do the 3 contracts, which is what all my current stocks are at the moment. All right, so I'm going to go ahead with that as well. So give me a minute while I type out the orders. Okay, so I will be adding this position. So today I'm taking out 2 new trades on my portfolio. Okay, so I'll be going with the 18 November AM expiry. Okay, the $23 put option. Okay, I'm going to be selling 3 contracts over here for a premium of 95 cents. Hey, some of you are jumping my gun again and again. Come on. Don't do this to me. You're making it tough for me to build this portfolio. All right, now I'm not gonna negotiate. I'm not gonna haggle because some of you have jumped my gun. So I'm just gonna get it done at a market price right now of 90 cents. Okay, so I filled out the order at 90 cents over here. So I'm just gonna show all of you once again. All right, now here we go. The VIX November 17. Okay, just somehow on Interactive Brokers, they displayed the expiry date at November 17. Okay, because this option is an AM expiry. Okay, now what it means is basically it expires on the 17th, okay, when the stock market closes, okay, but they use the 18th opening price as the settlement for the option. Okay, that's a little bit of confusing stuff over here. All right, but we can keep this on the wraps. Yeah, okay, we'll talk about it in another session altogether. Okay, so I've sold this expiry over here on the VIX, which is 18th of November on TD Ameritrade platform. Okay, I've sold 3 over here at 90 cents. Okay, so this order was filled over here. Okay, it's filled and done. Done and dusted. I've added 2 trades back into the portfolio. Now, so let me get this back on as well. And let's do some data entries. Okay, as I bring all of you back to the Excel spreadsheet. All right, now, so this is trade number 15, all right, 3 contracts of the 17th of November. You can see, all right, this is the 3rd time I'm putting it on. All right, this is the 3rd time I'm putting it on. The first time we sold it on 31st of August, all right, I sold it for $1.10 premium and I closed it for 70 cents. Okay, very quickly after that. And then on 18th of September, I sold it again for 90 cents and I closed it quickly for 55 cents. And today, I have just sold it once again for 90 cents. I don't know when I'll be closing it. I have absolutely no idea. Maybe in the next couple of days, maybe by next week. Hopefully, actually. Yeah, all right. Now, so I've added another 270. So in today's session, we have added almost close to 500 bucks. Yeah, all right. Almost close to 500 bucks over here. All right, that's pretty good, pretty decent. All right, for today over here. Now, so these will be the 2 new trades that I'll be adding to the portfolio. So what I've done, I've closed 2 trades today. I've reopened 2 trades today. Yeah. Now, so once again, this is portfolio building sessions with Terence. So the only strategies we're going to be covering right now at the moment is selling portfolio put options. Okay, selling portfolio put options. Okay, now for those of you who are joining us right now, okay, and you have absolutely no idea of what I'm talking so far, okay, or how this strategy actually operates, okay, I would like you to do this. Okay, I'll be showing you the banner. All right, head over to our website, www.impossibleinvestors.com. Right, and you can kickstart your options learning journey, all right, with our free 30 days options e-course. Yeah, all right, okay, it's free. It's totally free to you. All right, we will be covering, I think, almost more than 20 different option strategies, right, during that sessions. Okay, and it'll be sent out to you day by day. Right, so portfolio put options will be one of the strategies that we're covering over here. Yeah. Okay, so go ahead, go to the website. All right, look out for Project Options Cashflow. Opt yourself in, and the team will be sending you your first lesson tomorrow. Yeah, okay, it's absolutely free. Yeah. Okay, now, so I'm done with the portfolio management. I see some questions over here, so let's get to it. All right, YC over here. Now, please remember these sessions are for public sessions over here. So any trades that I discuss, you will have to risk assess them on your own. Yeah, okay, and you have to make your own decisions if you want to be following them or not. Okay, in our community, we are taking all together a different set of trades. So when I make those decisions, I will be posting out in your respective groups itself. Okay, but for these sessions, they are on a more simple terms. So I'm just building a portfolio, right? I'm picking a good stock and selling a portfolio put option on it, right? Each and every week. That's it. Yeah. Okay, Richard. All right, let's understand your question. Do I roll over to a lower strike price if I don't want to pick up the stock? Richard, you can, right? But just in this case over here, I am running this portfolio with the capital, okay, with the capital that I'm going to put up, all right, and I'm more than happy to actually own the stock. Okay, let me show you for another reason why I'm more than happy to own AT&T. Okay, now, they may not have a lot of growth inside of them. Okay, AT&T may not have a lot of growth behind it. Okay, but if you look at what's in store, okay, AT&T does offer a 7.3% dividend yield. Okay, it does offer a 7% dividend return right now. Okay, I think that's a pretty good return over here, right? While waiting for the stock to go back above, all right, let's say it went under my strike price. Okay, while waiting for the stock to go back above so I can make a profit on the stock, I think it's worthwhile to actually own the stock and collect the dividends as I wait along. Yeah, okay, all right. Now, so in this simplistic portfolio that we're building, all right, we will be taking ownership of the stock. Okay, so what happens is I will be running this portfolio in a few simple steps. One, I'll be selling a portfolio put. All right, two, if I don't have an opportunity to realize the profit early, right, and I have to take ownership of the stock, I will actually convert it into a covered call strategy. Yeah, okay, I'll actually convert it into a covered call strategy. Yeah, okay, now, so that's how I'll manage this portfolio. I'm trying to keep it simple, clean, right? Yet, trying to hit that 20% return per annum mark. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Richard, I hope I answered your question over here. Yeah. All right. All right. Now I have a Facebook user. All right. So let's see. Can I please understand? Do you buy a put option for VIX? I sold the put option. All right, now Facebook user over here, it'd be great if you could, just go over, click on the StreamYard link. All right, click on the StreamYard link, so I will be able to know who's leaving the question. I think it's Wee. Yeah, all right, I see you on the back end over here in Facebook. All right, but I don't see you on StreamYard. Okay, click on StreamYard.com/Facebook. All right, so we'll be able to see you. All right, now, thanks, Eric. Thanks. All right, thank you very much for helping me out. Now, so the answer is I'm selling a portfolio put. Okay, so all I'm doing over here is I'm selling put options. Okay, we will not be doing or covering any other strategy, all right, during these Friday sessions, because the whole aim, all right, remember, the aim of the session is called Portfolio Building with Terence. Okay, so I'm going to keep things very simple, all right, selling a portfolio put options. Anything happens, I take the stock and then I turn it profitable, right in front of all of you for you to see as well. Okay, and we're just going to recirculate this over and over again. All right, welcome, Richard. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, all right. Thank you very much, Eric. Yes. All right, now YC should be knowing that, Eric. YC has been with us for, almost come to 4 years now, all right, in the community. Yeah. Now, so YC, if you have, it's not difficult. Okay, now let me just, for the benefit to help her out, okay, before we end the session over here. Okay, now, so if you do get assigned on the stock, this is how I record it. Okay, this is how I record it. I'll just put it under, I'll just cut a line below that. Okay, I will still label it as trade 14 because it's just a continuation, right? Okay, and then I'll just put it under here as stocks. Pardon my spelling. All right, I'll just put it under here as stocks, so it doesn't have an expiry anymore, so it's going to be a dash, right? It has no strike price, so it's going to be a dash, right? So it depends on when I'm assigned. So let's say I'm assigned on 20th of November, right? And then the price, the entry price is going to be $28 because that's the price that I got the share at. Yeah, okay, so the strike price will eventually become, the entry price of my stock. And it's not going to be three options anymore. It's going to be 300 quantities because now it's become the stock. That's it. That's how you enter over here. Yeah, okay. All right, delete it away. Okay, all right, now, so Stanley has a question over here. Stanley, can you own VIX as a stock? No. All right, so VIX options over here are very different because they are all cash settled. Okay, so VIX is an index over here. You can trade it as a futures, but you can't trade it as a stock. Right, so you will not be assigned anything on the VIX options. You will only be settled on cash. Okay, so everything will be settled on cash over here on expiry date. So that's where I said they will take the marking price of the opening on the 18th, right? So the VIX 18 opening price, right, will be the settlement price. Yeah, okay. Right now, so this is the end of my session today. Thank you very much for joining me in this live session once again. If you have not done so, could you click on the share button? All right, could you click on the share button before we end the session? Just leave a note over there, right? A simple portfolio that pays 20% per annum, right? So, people have a headline on, what's it all about, yeah, or new stock for the week. People know what's it all about, okay? And, hopefully we'll start to get more traction, all right? And more of you and your friends will be coming into the room over here, yeah? All right, now, so, yes, Eric, all right? Now, I picked the VIX because I want a pure movement over here, right? So the VIX is actually the actual index itself. Okay, so the VIX tracks the actual VIX index itself, whereas the VXX, all right, tracks the VIX index, but also with time decay. Yeah, also with time decay. All right, now, Eric, what I'll do is this. I will be covering this topic. Okay, I'll be covering this topic in one of the community sessions that I'll be doing next. Yeah, Eric? Okay, so I'll be covering one of the big difference between VXX and VIX over here. They are all volatility product, but VXX is a little bit more of leverage behind it. Okay, there's a leverage behind it as compared to the VIX. Yeah, okay, as compared to the VIX. Yeah, okay, now, so there's a slight difference. The underlying asset is the same, but the operation of how the prices move is slightly different over here. Yeah. Okay, awesome. Now, so we have closed out once again. Let's count it down. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have closed out 8 trades out of 15 that we have taken since we have started this journey on the 7th of July. Okay, 7th of July. Now, so thank you very much for joining me in tonight's live session once again. All right, have a lovely weekend, everyone. And if there are any of you who are joining me tonight, all right, as part of my mentorship who starts tomorrow, all right, I look forward to seeing all of you at the one-day bootcamp webinar tomorrow. All right, we have a new intake happening tomorrow, everyone. All right, I'll see all of you who are part of that group tomorrow morning. Okay, for the rest of you who are from our community, thank you very much for joining me and giving me your time once again. Help us click and share this video over here. All right, and we can reach it out to more people and help more people along the way. All right, show them how to build a portfolio. All right, now, thank you very much and bye-bye, everyone. Oh, yes, please note, Right, Jeremy is actually busy this weekend. So unfortunately, this weekend, we will not be having a stop nitpicking with IMP session. Yeah, all right, Jeremy is tied down, right? So we won't be able to run the stop nitpicking with IMP session this weekend, right? We will resume next week, right? We will be resuming next week, right? So have a great weekend, everyone. Take time off, right? And enjoy yourself. Have a good rest. And I'll see all of you next Friday. Okay, so next Friday, 9:30 p.m. once again. All right, good night, everyone. Bye-bye. This is Terence, the Impossible Investor, signing off. Bye-bye.